Welcome back to my channel, Electric Ginger. Today I'll be showcasing my Rubik's Cube I just got today from Amazon, and it has about 8,000 reviews. I promised I'll make one from yesterday, and here I am. Open it. This is a speed cube, which is really good. This is the best I could find. It's cheap, it's good, and yeah, I'll try it out. Easy, really smooth, really smooth. Okay, so let's mix it up, and I'll solve it in front of you guys. Also, and it's less noisy, very less noisy. Okay, so I feel like that's mixed enough. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so I'll get back to you when I'm ready. Okay, here I am. I solved it. I meant like I didn't solve it, but here. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, so last video was very long since that it had all the bad moves I didn't want. So hopefully this one will be a bit better. Hopefully. Okay, so I just need the white cross. It's almost done. Okay, so just gotta switch this up. Okay, so just gotta hurry. Good, but done. Oh, good. All of this solved. Okay, so here, here, here. Okay, so that's all the bottom layer done. Okay, so now let's go here. Okay, here. Just gotta hurry. Boom. Boom, boom. Done. Okay, let's go here. And I think I messed it up. Who cares? I can fix it. Okay, so I just need one more. That's all. Here. Good. All the middle layer is done. So now let's do the top cross. Good. Okay, let's do it from here. Good. So, okay, so we're done with. Okay, so we're done with. Okay. Okay, so. Okay, nope, it's still not correct. Okay, that should be all correct. This is my favorite part. Woohoo! And done. There you go. I solved it. And hope you enjoy, and see you guys next time.